Hi there, I'm Darren from Watercolor Mentor, and in this class I'm going to show you how to paint 12 different mountain landscapes in watercolor. One of the things I struggled with as a beginner was learning how to loosen up my brushstrokes without sacrificing on detail. This class will help you to loosen up as well as go through some essential wet-on-wet watercolor techniques. This class is aimed towards beginners to intermediate learners. I'm really looking forward to sharing my knowledge with you, so enroll in this class and you'll be producing some simple and beautiful paintings in no time.